Guys, if you're looking for an absolutely amazing game combining Minecraft, combining everything you like with all the coolest themes, well, I think you're going to like this. What is it? It is the Sandbox. Now, before we get into it, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So, did you ever think things could be this exciting? We got Peaky Blinds. We got awesome worlds right here. Garrison Link, Terminator, Time Structure, Smurfs. We have everything here in one place. Each world's interactive, it's story-driven, it's tied to a major entertainment brand. We have different entertainment themes right here with the Sandbox Season 6. All right, so you have literally everything here. The Fright Zone, Terminator. You have After Dark, Black Mirror, Jumquai. You have Sandbox and Chill, Peak Blinders, Attorney Woo, Toontime, Smurfs. How much more do you need? Well, think of anything you want to play. Bond Voyage, Gliding Heaven. Each IP world offers a unique quest, a unique environment, different collectibles, different events as well. You can think of it like jumping into a whole new world. We can see the events map here. What is it? Some worlds are single player, some worlds are cooperative. You work with other people, you play, you do other things. You have trusted partners like Terminator, Smurfs, Peaky Blinders. They really enhance the whole experience. Pick ones that you want. Do you want to play single player? Do you want to play multiplayer? What do you want to do? Where do you want to go? And realize that you can customize your avatar so it looks absolutely awesome. We have Chupas, King Kong, G-Shock, Ataris. You can build this whole experience. So these aren't just skins, guys. They're experiences. They're replayable, and you can take all these out in the different worlds and have fun. From retro arcade vibes, with Atari to Mythic Adventure to King Kong right here. Every week is going to be a different genre, a different experience, a different world, a different immersive adventure. And new drops just keep this season absolutely amazing. And retro gaming features Atari Sunnyvale arcade style gameplay. This is really cool stuff, guys. Fashion Week lets you just get your voxel down the runway, look absolutely amazing and cool with Charles and Keith and Charles X and G-Shock. And you get the Cirque du Soleil, Mad Apple, which is playing with EP houses. So if you're just tired of static, boring games, this is your playground. So you can jump in, you can check out Peaky Blinders, you can check out Black Mirror, you can check out all the experiences right here. Save the Smurfs, all in one season, new worlds, drop weekly. So don't miss your favorite IP. Don't miss your favorite adventure. Guys, this is the time. This is the place. This is the Sandbox to explore in. And if you're so inclined, you can get the Sandbox launcher itself, check out all of these awesome adventures, and even play it right here. If you're tired of static games, this is your playground. Jump into Peaky Blinders, escape Black Mirror, or save the Smurfs, all in one season. New worlds drop weekly, so don't miss your favorite IP.